Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and I'm just going to give you guys a little quick update on the portfolio. I made a lot of moves today, and they are actually paying off because I'm really close to ending the day. I was really close to ending the day at 30,000. At one point, I was above the $30,000 mark for a while, and I was excited. And I actually did a lot of things to my portfolio today, as you can see. Quite a bit of trading. I bought some Jumia. I bought some MP materials, bought some Corsair Gamings, sold some calls to get some income. So first I'm gonna go over the calls that I did. And these are my long-term calls. So you guys already know about that. But this one right here, I sold a put a couple days ago for a total of $52 in premium. And right now I'm realizing $37 so far. So as long as Neo can stay above the break even of 55.50, then I should be fine. And Neo is above 60, so as long as I can end the week above 55.50, I get to keep the $52 in credit. I sold 4 calls for an average credit of about $5, so it's 20 bucks right there, but it went down a lot today. I mean, since Afria went up a lot, it gets getting closer to that 12.50 mark, and the closer it gets, the more it gets executed for me to sell my 400 shares of Afria. And Afria has been on a roll. Because if you look at Afria, it went up 6% today, and then it's 8.8% after hours, and it's at $10, so it needs to go up another $2 and up 42 cents for it to be executed. But I don't think it will happen in 2 days. That's gonna be a like a 20% jump up in 2 days if it would be for me to sell my 400 shares. And I'm up doing pretty well on it, as you can see. I'm up 32.39% on it, and I'm actually really happy with Afria and how it's doing. And I believe it's going to continue going up. With Biden being the president and the legalization of cannabis getting closer and closer to a reality, Afria will do well in this market and will continue to thrive. So I have that. Then I sold 4 puts to get an average credit of about 12. So, and right now I'm up 33.33% on it, $4. It's gonna be a quick $12 for the week. And I'm trying to take as much little profits as I can every week. Because if you get like $10 every week, that's about $500, $520 per year. And every $10, just it slowly builds up, and that's how it is. Slow and steady wins the race. Just keep getting $10 here, $10 there, $100, $100, thousand, and over time, your portfolio will grow. And I did this, and these option plays I did are with I had a 90 plus percent chance of profitability. See, I'll show you an example. See, when you trade options and you go to any option, and it has the chances of profit right there. And all the trades that I have here are for a good chance of profit, so I'm gonna be doing well. So that's the other one, and then I have 2 more options right here. I sold 2 more call options for $75. So as long as Neo doesn't hit $75 by Friday at the end of the day, I should get to keep that $30 in premium. See, another $30. If I can get another $30 every week, that's like another $1,500 more to my portfolio. And over time, it keeps growing more and more and more. And it builds up, and then boom, my portfolio is going to keep growing faster and faster. But let's go over some of the things that I bought today. I did buy a ton of Jumia stock, about $2,000 worth. Right here, I bought 49 shares of Jumia at $40, and it's doing very well because as soon as I bought it, $40, what was it, like around here? As soon as the market opened, I bought, and it's already at $44. So just in that little spending spree, I made $200 in profit. And I'm going to keep buying Jumia as time goes on, but not right now. I really don't want to be putting that much money into it. But whenever I see some dips, I'm going to be buying some shares because the goal is to get to 100 shares. And right now I have 78.4 shares. So I just need about 22 more shares, 21, 22 more shares. and I should be right there with my goal of 100 shares. I did buy MP material also today, and I bought close to 2,000. I bought 57 shares worth of MP material. I'm actually getting really close to the 200 share mark on this one. I'm at 91.6 shares, so I need another 8.4 shares to get to that 100 share mark. And once I get 100 shares on both of these, I can start selling calls on these ones too to make another maybe $5 to $10 per week. But these ones, they don't have weeklies, they only have monthlies, so most likely I'll probably do like a 60 and get that $9, because it's really unlikely for, say, Jumia to hit $60 in the next 2 days. So that's like automatically $9-10 a week. That's another $500 a year. And MP materials, let's look at these options. If I was to sell a call, because I'm really close to, maybe I'll do $40. Yeah, I'll probably do a $40 call, honestly, for 15, or if not, I'll just do 45, just to be 100% certain that I would get that MP material would not go over $45, because there was this one day where it went from 29 to 34. That's a $5 increase in one day, and if it has another one of those, then it gets closer to that threshold, and that's not what I want. I want to gain some money over the time, but I do not want to share. I want to sell the shares that I have, so that's why I have them so far out of the money, and that's why I only get a small amount of premium. But even that small amount of premium will compound over time. And the last thing that I did buy is Corsair Gaming, and in the beginning it was doing very well, but it dropped back down. And I'll show you where I bought it at. I bought 24 shares at $43.20, so it was pretty expensive that I bought it at them. Yeah, it was closer to the top. Yeah, closer to the top. That's still fine, as long I wanted to get it before it got close to its all-time highs, because it looks like the trend is starting to go that way, as you can see, slowly going upwards, and it went all the way up to like $51, and now it's at 42, and it goes down and it goes up a little bit more, then it goes down and goes up a little bit more. So it's probably gonna go down a little bit more, then go up and down and up, and get closer to that $51 52-week high. But yeah, that's a little update on the portfolio. We're actually getting really close to 30K. Hopefully it can just go up $5 more. It's at 30K, and we can end this video on a good note. But yeah, lots of purchasing today. Portfolio went up a good amount, and we're up a good amount for the week, good amount for the month, and we're getting closer to that all-time high at $41,000. I'm predicting maybe we can get there by the end of the year, if not way sooner, depending on how NEO stock does. And honestly, in my opinion, if I know that NEO's gonna break records, and there's always monthly deliveries to look forward to see a catalyst to go up, and there's earnings coming up in March, which could propel the stock even higher. And of course, I believe earnings will destroy expectations, and then the guidance that they have will probably be very well. And with that, that's another catalyst that can bring NEO up another $10, another $5 to $10 from its all-time highs of $66, $67. So we can see a share price of $70 maybe by March, $75 by March. And I would not be surprised if we get a little dip before then, and then it starts trending back upwards. And that will be good for the portfolio. If NEO goes to 75, the portfolio will be well into its way to breaking its all-time highs. So I look forward to that, and stay in touch with the channel. I'll keep you guys updated, and let me know how you guys are doing in the markets, and let me know if you guys see any other plays, any good deals out there. We're all trying to make money out here. We're all trying to make lots of money in the long run. Slow and steady wins the race. I have lots of income right here coming in, about $50, probably a little more than $50 per week. But over time, that grows. Over time, it grows. Yeah, and then I have my long-term NEO option that's doing very good. And as long as NEO keeps going up, this will multiply. I'm already up 60% on this. And if NEO keeps going up more and more, we'll see this one going to skyrocket as well. And soon it'll be up 100%. And then the more NEO goes up, then the percentage gains get bigger and bigger and bigger, and then you start seeing that compounding effect. And I would love to see this one be worth 5,000 to 6,000 very soon, very soon. And yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. And to end it on the good note, we actually broke past 30K. So yeah, a little milestone right there, 30,000. Next stop, 35,000. So let's see how long it takes to get to 35,000. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll be posting a lot more.